Hola clase. This lesson was pretty simple. It was how to order at a restaurant. We've spent quite a few weeks learning food, so this was a great review of food, but also mainly we learned some restaurant vocabulary and things like how to order and or how to practice being a server, how to practice taking orders, right? So on your vocab sheet here, it'll say lesson 23, and I'll go through some of the words. So el camarero is the waiter, and la camarera is the waitress. La cuenta is the bill. So that's an important word to know if you want to ask for the bill. Check, please. La cuenta, por favor. La propina is the tip. Disculpe means excuse me. Por favor means please. Gracias, thank you. Me puede traer, can you bring me? Voy a pedir, I'm going to order. Quiero, I want. Para mí, for me. So those are all kind of examples of ways you can order politely. And then the right hand column are some food words that weren't specifically taught in an earlier lesson, but this year I actually did introduce those with the other food words. But these are ones we just haven't practiced as much, so I'm not going to read through those, but they're there for you to review. We spent the majority of class working through a practice dialogue. So the 4th through 6th graders, you guys had a little bit of a more complex dialogue. I simplified it for the 1st through 3rd graders, so I'll go through both of those. The 4th through 6th grade, the server says, Buenos días y bienvenidos. That's good morning and welcome. ¿Qué va a hacer para beber? It's kind of like, what will you have to drink, or what would you like to drink? ¿Qué va a hacer para beber? Right. Then to answer, to order your drink, you'll say, para mí, for me, un refresco, por favor. Or un agua, por favor, or una limonada, por favor. Okay, so we ordered our drinks. Then the server will say, bueno, ¿está listo para ordenar? Are you ready to order? And then to order, we'll say, sí, that means yes. Me gustaría, I would like. Pedir, to order. And then whatever food you want, por favor. So, sí, me gustaría pedir el pollo y una ensalada, por favor. Right? I would like to order the chicken and a salad, please. And the server would say, muy bien, regreso pronto. Right, so he's gonna, very well, I'll be right back. He leaves, comes back. Aquí tiene su comida. Here's your food. And then to the person ordering, the customer says, gracias. Then the server says, desea un postre? Right, would you like a dessert? To order, sí, yo quiero un pastel de chocolate, por favor. I would like the chocolate cake, please. You fill in the blank with whatever food you want to order, whatever dessert. Se lo traigo ahora. Se lo traigo ahora. So he's like, okay, I'll bring it right out. ¿Está todo bien? He's asking, is everything okay? Delicioso, gracias. It's delicious, thank you. ¿Me puede traer la cuenta, por favor? Can you bring me the check, please? Claro, aquí la tienes. Of course, here it is. Gracias. Okay, so that was quite a dialogue, but a really traditional way to order, a really common way to order. And then the 1st through 3rd graders, we simplified it quite a bit. Buenos días. Buenos días. ¿Qué va a hacer para beber? So again, what would you like to drink? Para mí, un refresco, por favor. Right. For me, a soda, please. Muy bien. ¿Qué desea ordenar? What would you like to order? Me gustaría, whatever food you want to put in the blank, por favor. Me gustaría una hamburguesa y papas fritas, por favor. I would like a hamburger and french fries, please. Muy bien. ¿Y de postre? It's like, very well. And for dessert? ¿Me traes un helado de menta, por favor? Will you bring me a mint ice cream, please? Claro que sí. So there you go. Now you guys can go order at a restaurant. Be pretty fun if you guys go to a Spanish restaurant or, Mexican restaurant with your family and practice ordering in Spanish. Adios.